Hey, how's it going, people? My name's Jamie Little, also known as Jamie the Little Drummer. I've now been a drummer now for about 21 years, and I've been playing in bands for about 13 years. My current band is Firefall, a heavy metal / hard rock band from Bedfordshire, England. I am currently using Collision's 2B drumsticks, and I have found that the 2B drumsticks especially have been absolutely amazing. They've got great durability and they're great for grip when it comes down to sweaty hands. What I love about Collision Drumsticks is the team is absolutely fantastic. They're friendly and they're professional, and they'll get back to you with emails whenever you've got any questions. Absolutely fantastic team. And I think that the website is absolutely fantastic as well. There's all wide range of products, anything from 7A drumsticks to 2B drumsticks. You can even customize your own drumsticks, put your own design on the sticks if you wish, and they've even got their own merchandise. You can get t-shirts, you can get drum pads, you can get hats, you can get all different kinds of merchandise that they've got on their website, so I'd highly recommend for anyone to go check that out. The video you're about to see is Firefall's cover of Electric Six's Gay Bar. That was specially recorded at my bass player's wedding a few weeks ago, quite recently, and it was specially selected. We don't do many covers Firefall, but this was a special selected track. Hopefully you enjoy it.
Let's go again.